Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to talk about just some incidental findings that can happen during the course of an examination. I had a patient who came in today. She was looking at getting some implants to replace some missing teeth, but she had some sensitivity on a tooth and she couldn't quite figure out what was going on. Whenever she bit, it just felt different, it felt weird, and well, we took a CT scan and it became very obvious what was going on for her. Well, looking at this CT scan, you can actually see that the root is split. So, looking at normal roots right here, that root clearly has a split in it. So that was why she was getting that discomfort when she was biting, because that tooth had actually broken apart and was pushing back together, and it kept pinching the gums, pinching the ligament inside there. Looking at it from a different view, you can actually see that it is split right there. It's actually split right in that root, and that's what's causing that discomfort. So a lot of times people may not know what's causing any kind of discomfort around their mouth. The good thing is this three-dimensional x-ray, this CBCT scan, can actually identify a lot of interesting and just kind of mysterious things going on in your mouth that you may not even be fully aware of. So if you want to come in for an evaluation, get checked out, please do give us a call. Thank you very much.